To use the Lapse It app on an Apple device, open the Lapse It app on your device. Click on the red icon that reads Capture and has an outline of a camera. You should be taken to a page with a recording screen. In the top right-hand corner, there should be an icon that says Interval. Click it. When clicked, a menu should pop up, and you want to be on the icon that says Second. There will be an interval bar that sets how long the camera takes to take the next photo. For optimal results, slide the bar until it reads 2 seconds. On the middle of the left-hand side, there is a red button that once pressed starts the recording of the video. The same button also stops the video. Below the record button, there is a rectangle that should read Finish Capture. Press it and it will take you to an editing screen with the video you have created. To play the video, click in the center of the video displayed on the left-hand side of the screen.